I'm going to test out the Panasonic LA-7200 anamorphic lens adapter on the Canon X-A10, just because I can. Now in order to screw it on, you need these thread adapters, a 58 to a 72, and then that goes on the back of there, and it goes over there. So let's see how it's gonna work. Right. So I couldn't actually screw this adapter on the camera here because XLR adapter got in the way. This is the HF G10 with the anamorphic lens adapter from Panasonic. It's crazy. So it's possible to mount it on, and I'm going to do some test footage with it.